Hi guys, today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for February. This is one of my favorite snack subscriptions because it's pretty cheap and they always send some really awesome stuff. So the theme this month is Indulge. And the first thing I'm pulling out are these little pretzel wheels. We also have some naked sea salt flavored potato chips. I really like this brand. We've had different flavors from them in the past. One potato, two potato, and they are pretty good. So happy to have that. We also have Smooth Coconut plus Banana Fruit Ice. I'm sure my son will love that. It says it's all natural ingredients with fresh coconut milk. Dairy-free, gluten-free, no preservatives. That's a fun little treat. And then Free Yum Honey Apple Oat Bar. Free of the big 8 major allergens. Very cool. And then we have a turkey stick. It says it's rosemary. I bet that is delicious. I really like the flavor of rosemary. And then a few more things. We have organic peanut butter. Let's open this and take a look at it. Is it just like a peanut butter cube? Oh, it's got chocolate. Yum, yum. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but almost better than a Reese's. I feel terrible saying that because I'm a diehard Reese's person, but there's almost like a little crunchiness in it. I don't know if it's sea salt. Whatever it is, I like it. I like the texture of it. Really, really good. I'll have to look for that in the store. Then we also have breakfast cookie minis, double chocolate, whole grains, fruit sweetened, no preservatives. I like the idea of a breakfast cookie. That's awesome. Yeah, so it's actually sweetened by prune puree, it says, and cane juice, a little bit of cane juice. Very cool. So I loved Love with Food because they always introduce you to some normally new products. There's hardly anything that I get that I've actually had before. And then they always throw in little coupons, typically for stuff that's in the box, and then HelloFresh. I have a better HelloFresh coupon if you guys want that. I'll put it below in the description box, but that's what I got. If you want to join, I do have a promo code for Love with Food, so I will link that below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.